Okay. Hello friends. So today we will check that how to install Linux on Windows with WSL. Okay, so to install that, first we need to search on Google. So what are the I have already searched it. So let me search it again. And now how to install Linux on Windows with WSL. So if you open this link, come here. Here WSL command, this command is there. For that, what you need to do, open PowerShell or Windows command prompt in administrator mode. Okay, by clicking right click. So let me go here, Windows PowerShell, POW, Windows PowerShell, right? Just right mouse click here and run as administrator. So a new window will open. Administrator Windows PowerShell. Here you can see. Now right now print the command WSL install. Now WSL install command by default it will install WSL2. Okay, which is the latest version of WSL. So which is more advanced in nature. So we need to do that. Okay, so make enter. So installing virtual machine. So after installation of this, it requires a reboot of the system. Okay, so I will do that. So let it be installed first. So it will take some time. So for that time I am pausing the video. Okay, so as you can see here, the installation has been completed, the requested operation is successful, change will not be affected until the system is rebooted. So I need to reboot the machine. Welcome friends. So my restart has been done, and now when it starts again, I'm getting this pop-up screen with Ubuntu is already installed, and it will take few minutes to enter the Unix username. This commands, so before this commands, it will take few minutes, and then enter new Unix username. This command will come. Now I need to put a username here, JIT. Okay, now it will ask for a password. Okay, so now password, suppose I am giving some password. Okay, retype the password. Okay, password update is installation successful. Now actually Ubuntu installation is successful. Now the command prompt will come. Okay, now you can see we are now getting a Ubuntu like feel and Ubuntu environment. Okay, so now to check that it is properly Ubuntu has been installed or not, so check a command pwd. Look, I am in home JIT. So in this folder I am now. Okay, so it is working fine. Okay,